What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on MULN stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue its fundamental news and I will show you why, despite the quite bullish news, this asset is still moving south. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here just 2 days ago, and I've told you that you shouldn't enter your long position with this asset by any means, because it is a fraudulent company and you cannot hold these stocks for a long period of time with the anticipation that it will skyrocket. It will never happen. And definitely, let me zoom out. We are on 15 minutes time frame, and let me switch to daily time frame. And right here you can see that this asset is in consistent downtrend and it lost a substantial amount of its value. And even from 2021, from its somewhere from swing highs of $444 per share, it lost basically the entire amount of its value, 99.37%. So, and I have to say that because of this breakout, let me show you on let's say 4 hours time frame. Because of this breakout below the previous bottom, let me show you more thoroughly. As you can see, it consistently forming lower lows and lower highs. So it is in consistent downtrend, and it is not far from its crucial level of $1 mark. It is the threshold to stay in line with the Nasdaq listing rules, and it is not far from it at about 18.9%. Definitely, this asset is extremely risky, and let me show you why it is happening. So, first of all, let me show you the news that was the reason. Let me switch again right here and switch to, let's say, 30 minutes time frame. The news that was the catalyst of this occasional spike for about 16% from its its previous point. And it is the news that Mullen announces $15.755 million vehicle purchase agreement with MGT Lease Company for 250 Class 3 commercial EV trucks. So, this news by itself is quite bullish, but let me show you quite interesting detail. You can find this article on Investor Place that was published 16 hours ago, and it is titled MULN Stock, Redditors Question MGT Lease Deal. And the key bullets are following. Mullen Automotive announced yesterday that MGT Lease Company had agreed to purchase $15.75 million worth of Class 3 cab chassis electric vehicle trucks. Redditors initiated research on the company and found some concerning points, such as a brand new website. And let me quote you these paragraphs. According to publicly available information, MGT was first incorporated as a business in October 2021. Based on Mullen's statement, that would mean MGT brought in over $70 million of revenue in its first full year. While the company was incorporated in 2021, its website was not registered until October 2022 through GoDaddy based on a Who Is and Icon lookup search. One Redditor notes that while the website was registered in 2022, it wasn't available in March of this year. That's also when Mullen announced the delivery of 4 Class 1 EV vans to the company. Another Redditor points out that a Google search for this website shows the website was created on April 19th and edited yesterday to show a catalog of products. Public information shows that Benjamin C. Brainston III is named as a member of MGT, while Thomas P. Gavick is named as a managing member and agent. A LinkedIn profile for Brassington shows prior roles at Kearnsville, Chrysler, Dodge, and TCB Enterprise. Meanwhile, Gavick's profile yields just one connection and provides little information. Together, these points paint a picture of concern. It's entirely possible that MGT is an extremely successful business that managed to hit it out of the ballpark in its first full year. However, the Reddit crowd is definitely not sold on that idea. And I have to say that I'm pretty sure that this company, MGT Lease, is just a shell company. It is an empty company to show the potential contract with Mullen. And it is not the first time when David Mishry made these statements. Let me show you my video that I made 10 months ago, and let me show you right here that it is the thumbnail, as you can see, scam Amazon, and this is the Vans. And let me show you that previously Delpak Logistics was announced as the company of as a partner company for Mullen Automotive, and this company should order up to 600 vans with the deliveries that should begin back in November 2022. And let me show you that if you type in Google search bar Delpak Logistics, you can find their official website, delpaklogistics.com, but the location that is shown by Google is somewhere in India. And this is another company with the same name. And let me show you right here. It is their official website with this picture. And if you right click on this picture and choose find through Google Lens, right here you can see these results. So if you make it a bit smaller without the Delpak logo, you will find that the original picture is the Amazon Vans, and it is just, you can do it by yourself, and this shows how fraudulent David Mishry is and how fraudulent his company is. And let me show you even further. The website Delpak Logistics was created back in 2020. And I have to say that the history of this company, it didn't even begin from this year. And there are zero updates on their official website. Let me switch again to the website. Let me turn it off. And there is zero updates from the entire year. Everything that was done back a year ago. And there's two addresses, and I highly recommend you to watch my previous video where I made a very thorough analysis of this video and where I prove that this is the shell company and David Mishry made a false and misleading statement. And to summarize it all, I have to say that you shouldn't rely on this asset, whether it is a long-term holding or short-term bets. Because even for the short term, I have a lot of red flags that is preventing us to enter any long position right now. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, why I don't suggest you to enter even your short-term position? Definitely the main reason is the uncertainty with the number of their shares outstanding, because the more dilution we have on the certain assets, the more unpredictable its price action is. And most likely it will go south, and that is why we cannot rely on any time frames, on any signs, on any time frames that might show us that probably this asset might have a bounce. We cannot rely on it, and that is why I highly recommend you not to enter your position with Mullen, and I highly recommend you to leave your position, even to cut your losses, because this is a fraudulent company, and for now I cannot tell you where this asset might bounce back, because we don't have any news from David Mishry Twitter account. He is still 100% silent. And I have to say that without any major updates and without the beginning of their real production, this company will not see its higher prices, its higher share prices. But this never happens because they don't have money. And I made a lot of videos about this company, that this is a fraudulent company, and nothing will change it. So, I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you.